Are you a business owner and you're not successful in what you're doing? What I mean by successful is you're not making good sales in that business. Are you also someone that wants to start up a business and you desire to be successful in that business? Guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to be a successful business owner. Note this, every successful business has a secret. Number one on my list is production strategy. Every business has its production level. The question is, as someone that owns the big business, at the production stage, what do you do there? You must state out the goals you plan to attain. Once you fail to plan, see, you plan to fail. It's very simple. So as a business owner, there is a production strategy. Always pen down your goals. It can be a short-term goal or a long-term goal. Daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, yearly goals. Let me use myself as an example. I'm a fashion designer. I produce different headgears. If you want to venture into the business, check out my channel. I have free tutorials on how to achieve different headgears. So back to what I was saying. Once I'm at the production level, what I do is I write down the designs I plan to achieve that month. Then if I have customers coming up, I pen down those ones that are coming down. My pen and my paper, they are my best friend. If you don't do this, you will see yourself missing things up. No goal will be achieved. You will just be loitering about in your place of business. So mark this. In your production strategy, make sure you write your goals. Another point is the selling strategy. Remember I said I'll use myself as an example. After producing all those headgears, how do I sell? When you buy your goods, how do you sell? Many of you make so much mistake on this level. We have the manual or the digital means. Your manual is that physical shop where you sell to those people that come face to face to you. While the digital means is the online. We have our Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your even YouTube. People make sales. Then TikTok. We have many selling parts, even Google. But many of you go on internet while away your time with videos. I know many people that spend hours watching movie. It's not that leisure is not good though. You can watch your movie. But when it comes to business, business is business. So your selling strategy, you can combine both the manual and the digital strategy. That is selling to the physical people and also selling to people online. And I promise you, once you inculcate that digital selling strategy, which is you selling online, you will see millions of people patronizing you. The third on my list is management of clients. Many of us, clients is not our problem, but the question is how you manage them. Like my business, I produce headgears, as I said earlier on. Once I get customers, I use my pen and paper to write them down, even the delivery date. If you don't do this, you carry someone that her date is far. You will do her work even before the one that to her own you deliver tomorrow. But with your pen and paper, you know the date that is nearer. Let me give an example. Mrs. A brought her work and she said she will collect it on Saturday. Another person brought her work that same day and said she will collect her own on Wednesday. If you don't write all these things down, my dear, you might mess up the work. You will do the one of Saturday first before Wednesday. Another challenge we have as fashion designers, I will use fashion designers as an example, is you will accept 100 customers at a time, knowing that you will not be able to deliver. What do I mean? Mrs. A will come on Monday, bring material. Ma, I need it by weekend. No problem. I will weekend. I don't disappoint. That's my name. My name is delivery and dispatching. I don't do. B will come. We deliver nationwide. I can do it. C will come the same week, 3 customers. And they said they will collect it by weekend. My dear, both of us know that you won't even meet up with one person. On Saturday or Sunday, when they don't come to collect their work, see fight. The person will come, you run away from your shop. You might even off your number. Why are people doing all these things? You are just killing your integrity. You don't know that one customer you see might bring 100 customers to you. That is just a business secret. That one customer that comes to you, don't play with them. Just one can boom your business. So if you're unable to accommodate all, just carry only one customer, do her work jeje, deliver it, and eat the money healthy and hearty. Instead of packing 100 customers, the rest you know, you'll not be able to deliver it. By so doing, you chase all other customers away. On my list is workmanship and charge. That's another challenge people have. On my channel, I have followers, and I also have a WhatsApp group. I always say this, the link to that group is on my description box. I always have this question. People throw this question to me often and on. Ma, how do I charge? Listen, the earlier you bear this at the back of your mind, it will help you in business. You are not in competition with anybody. Your workmanship is your game. Even if you produce a headgear, as an example, and you gain 2,000, you're okay with it, my dear, don't panic. That same product you sold and got 2,000 naira gain, someone can sell it and get 10,000 naira gain. It's not a business. Let me use fascinator as an example. There is this fascinator, you can use 5,000 to produce it. That is the cost of material. And you sell it at 10,000. 5,000 is your gain, Abi? Yes. That same fascinator you produce, do you know someone can sell it at 20K or even 15,000? Say, you are not in competition with anybody. Once you know that the small gain you put on top is okay for you, my dear, go on with it. Don't if you understand me. So this how much do I charge a client? So my neighbor is selling it at 50,000. And the one that used to pay me is beginner, someone that started business. That started 6 years ago. Or that has Odogu customers, sell at 15,000. You know that even if 3,000 as a beginner is okay for you. You now want to sell at 25,000. Someone that is selling 15. In fact, you want to sell 15,000 with the same person. As a beginner, just cut small. Put as your gain. Once you get other people as your clients, then you can increase the price. You are not dragging price to anybody. Once you know that that gain is okay for you, my dear, you go on. Guys, if you're enjoying this video and you find it helpful, why not give me a thumbs up? I need that thumbs up. Like this video. And if it's also helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel for the new members. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'm there to reply to you. If you also want me to do video on any topic, just drop it there. Another point is, how do you display your products? Some of you, when you come to even you know that your shop is not giving what you want. I didn't say you can steal. Oh. After all, every business has a growth. Yes. Let me use myself as an example. We use dummy heads, mannequin, we use them to sample our business. Some people, I saw someone's mannequin, it has one eye, like this. I said, she sent the picture. House, please, rate my work and give. I just saw the dummy immediately. I said, how can someone use this kind of dummy that has one eye like this? At times you see crying dummy. Do you want crying customers to come to you? People that always cry, the money is too much. But is that what you want? The dummy has one eyelash, one has removed the other one now. Your manicure that are not even beautiful, and you use the money to buy it. Did they tie your eyes? Same goes to fashion design, those that sew clothes. You see a dummy, wait, one will not have hand. You want 100 customers. That's what you want as customers. Always look for something to sample your product. That when you look at the display point, you'll be like, wow, I love this. Then if you get me. So try to get something that is catchy. That when you display your product on it, you'll get that right customer. What do you do when you have bulk work? When you have bulk work, like in this video, just watch this video. So guys, this video is an international bulk order. I got this contract and they requested I deliver 150 pieces of headgears to USA. Guys, it wasn't easy, sincerely speaking. I know someone will say, is it possible? 150 pieces to be delivered within a week. 1 week. But to my greatest surprise, I achieved it. Yes, it was delivered exactly 1 week. It wasn't easy though. But what did I do? I gathered hands. Like, I met some tailors. They were free then. You understand? So I paid them. I brought some of my workers, they joined hands. We did the cutting and we gave it to other people that will help me in sewing. Why we put hands together and we did the finished work. Guys, it wasn't easy. My point here is, if you notice that you have a contract you can't finish alone, gather hands. You mustn't finish everything. Do you want to die? No, now. It's better to deliver and not lose that contract. How do you do that? Gather hands, look for people that will help you. Pay them, pay them. Some people, they don't like paying. They want people that will help them free of charge. It's not possible now. So what you will do is try to get people, once they work for you, beat price with them, pay them. Simple. Your target is to deliver that work. You don't know, if you don't deliver that work, you might lose it. That kind of work might not come again. But if you deliver, I bet you, once you know what you're doing, such work will come again. So guys, learn how to have a team. A team, it matters a lot. Not you sow alone and die alone. Even reap and eat alone is not good. So once you notice that you have a bulk order, gather hands and make sure you monitor them. Not after gathering hands, you go and sleep. No. You give them work, follow them bumper to bumper so they don't spoil your work for you. So this was how we strike this order and we delivered on time. And we delivered it early, everything. And the woman still want to book more because I delivered exactly 1 week. I did disappoint. Well, some people, they'll collect, ma, 1 week, I can deliver. I will deliver. 2 weeks, they never even see your flashing. 2 weeks, they have never seen your call. The person will now call, where have you been now? We have not, ma, you don't know that work is too much. It's not 150 for 1 week. Even you, can you deliver it? You that know you cannot, why didn't you say it? So we have bulk work, look for more hands, strike the deal and deliver. Another point is, do you follow trends? What do I mean by trends? Designs that are trending. I'm speaking to fashion designers now. Like in headgear business, designs come out, I don't know if it's daily. You come online today, you see another design, you say, I've not even learned the one that came out last week. Nobody's waiting for you. You must upgrade in this business. If you don't upgrade, you'll be known as 1900 woman. Others are already in top-notch designs. They are still selling twisted headband, twisted turban. In fact, your name is Madam Twist or Madam Zara Cap. The recent Zara Cap designs, you don't even know it. What you know is that one you used in starting your business will die there. Follow trends. Any design that comes in the market, upgrade. Before they will say, ma, do you have? I have it now. You'll be like, can you do this? Can you produce this? I can, because you are doing upgrade in your business. People want to follow what's up women, what's up men that can sell well. So if you are someone that don't do upgrade in your business, you are darling. You're just holding yourself. So please continue to upgrade. You can do research. Go to online, go to internet, browse and know the trending things in your niche. Then you upgrade. Then for those that are beginners in headgear business or even in fashion designing, like sewing clothes, please always bear this at the back of your mind. Assuming you bought a material and you want to achieve a particular design, tell yourself that you're not a beginner again. Just register it. You see this work I'm doing now, I want to sell it, and I won't make mistake. But if you start doing, hey, I'm a beginner, if I make mistake, I will drop it. No, don't waste your materials. As a beginner, once you start, even as you're practicing with a material, tell yourself, you see this material, I won't make mistake and I will sell it. And once you get it, sell it out, get your gain, and restock. It's very simple. When I started, if I say I didn't make mistake in anyone, you will say, she's the wine me. But I made sure that every material I buy, whether it be small or big material, I try as much as I can so I won't make mistake. So in case someone asks me, are you selling it? Before you say, are you selling it? I've already called the price for you. And you must buy it, you must buy, Most of you that are beginners, please minimize the way you charge people. What you will do is get those customers. You can add 1,000, 2,000 as your gain. Once they come up, if they patronize you once, twice, 3 times, you bring your knife and cut them. I don't mean you should cut them. I mean, you cannot hype your price. At least you know that one is now your own customer. So guys, I believe with these few points of mine, I'm able to convince you and not to confuse you that even as a beginner in a business, you can be successful immediately. It can't take you 1 year to be successful. No, you can start up your business today and you kick off. Don't know if you get me. So just start now, impute all these things I says, and by the grace of God, not by my own grace, you see yourself excelling in your business. So guys, it's good to have you up to this time. I love you all. See you next in my other videos.